Guys, this is just a quick announcement. Actually, it's a couple of announcements. My friends at Kingdom Presence Ministries, just go to kingdompresenceministries.org or look them up on YouTube. They conduct workshops that would help you to further develop your ability to hear from God. And they cater to people who are all around the world. They make sure that they meet those different time zones where they are. And so I encourage you to get on there and get in touch with Peter and Catherine of kingdompresenceministries.org. Now, the other thing is that I have been scheduling one-on-one opportunities with Joshua Amaziah, and you can book one of those, register those, just use the calendar that is linked below the video, and you can have a one-on-one opportunity for prophetic prayer with Joshua, and I highly recommend this. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that. It's really exciting. There are some new ministries being birthed, and it's a really beautiful thing to be a part of. So support those ministries, and, you know, they're there to serve you. They're there to serve the body of Christ, and they're there for the harvest. So take full advantage of those. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.